morning. We came back outside. Still raining. Rain and thunder and lightning. So I'm going to stand out here for a minute. Welcome. Good morning, San Fernando Valley. Monday morning in the rain. It was raining a little bit harder a moment ago. And there's some wind. We're getting lightning, some thunder. Yeah. There you go. Oh, you just missed the lightning. Just missed it. You can still hear the thunder. And the next squall line should be coming in momentarily. I was looking at the weather reports. It's Monday morning, Los Angeles. It's only raining a little bit. It was raining harder a little while ago. I'm under the awning. That's the rain coming down that you hear. I don't know how that looks from where you are. Not very hard right now. but consistent. We haven't had good rain. We had one storm come in the other night, but yesterday was beautiful. Saturday night it rained, and then Sunday it was beautiful. And the storm just arrived right before the sun came up, or it got light out. So we're waiting for the next lightning strike. There's one on the previous scope that I just put up, and there's one on this one at the beginning. Welcome. Welcome. It's raining in LA. We're waiting for lightning. You can hear the thunder. And the next squall line's about to hit. So the storm just arrived. Good morning. Welcome to the San Fernando Valley in the rain. Here in my little yard, outside my office. We're under the awning. It's raining a little bit, and we're getting gusts of wind. There you go. Get some lightning, now some thunder. Okay. Yeah, so it just started raining a little while ago. It was pounding Ventura, and now it's arriving here. So. Every time I step out to do a scope, it gets really quiet like this, and then I go inside and the sky will open up again. And I guess that's the fortunes of scoping. So I'm going to scope down. Oh, thanks for the heart. I don't know what they're for, but it's Monday in the San Fernando Valley. So. It's not that cold out. I'm sort of standing out here. It's a little bit chilled. And yeah, it's picking up. So the next storm line is coming in. It's an interesting way to start the morning. I'm going to go get some coffee and come back out maybe and do some more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the heart. Follow me and I'll let you know when I'm on again.